Okay.
Hi, this is the human floor. And the human floor today is at the Hibachi Buffet in Rainham, Massachusetts. And what he's got here, folks, is a pair of chopsticks. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull these chopsticks out. And as you can see, these are real authentic Chinese chopsticks. And what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to try to do something here that you guys have probably seen before in the past, but never with chopsticks. Now that is right all the way back in the back of my throat. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I have both chopsticks pretty far up there. Wouldn't you say so, boys and girls?
Absolutely.
Yes. You.
So let's see if we can take these out. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And just like everything in a Chinese restaurant, it all tastes like chicken. Thank you.